So welcome back aliens, I'm Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and in this video we'll talk about Packet Tracer. Now Packet Tracer is a software designed by Cisco, and so basically it's a simulation software. So let's say if you want to design a network and if you want to also test it, so normally we can design the network on the paper, right? But on paper we cannot test it. So what we can do is we can use a Packet Tracer software where you can actually design the network and you can also test it. So you can see all the simulation going. You can send a packet from one machine to another machine, and then the packet will go in a simulated way. You can actually see the animation of it, and it feels better. It feels better. But that's not the main reason why they created Packet Tracer, just to make you feel better. So why we have Packet Tracer is we can create a network and we can also test it, and we will also see where something is going wrong. So let's say if you are sending a packet from one machine to another machine, and if that is going from multiple networks, and if something goes wrong, you will actually see on which router you are getting your packet back, right? So you can do all those things in Packet Tracer. Now this syllabus is designed, so the entire playlist is designed from the BSCIT syllabus. So BSCIT syllabus, where you have approximately we have 8 videos in this, and we'll be starting with the static configuration, then we'll go for dynamic configuration of the protocols, where we will be using RIP and OSPF. Then we'll talk about DNS server, how to configure DNS. We'll see how to configure DHCP server, how to configure Telnet. So we have all this thing in the playlist. It's just that those videos were created way before from this video, and that's why if you see the quality of this video, this is much better, but those videos don't have that much of quality. But then it is you can use it for a better understanding. So you'll be learning all these things in the entire playlist. So after watching this video, do watch that video as well to understand how Packet Tracer works. But to give you the introduction, what is Packet Tracer? So again, Packet Tracer is a simulation software where you can design the network. It is created by Cisco. Okay, so if you can see, a Packet Tracer will look like a normal IDE which we use, where you have all the components. You can drag and drop all the components which you need. You can drag and drop the computers, you can drag routers, and you can actually create the entire network. Okay, so you can use all this thing to implement all the concepts you have in your networking subject, and it will work. And you will not learn networking in a theory way, but in a practical way. So that's how we have this playlist. So if you enjoyed the playlist, just click on the like button for each and every video. And if you have any questions, do comment, so that if I'm not answering, anyone else can answer that. So that's it. I hope you will like the entire series, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe for further videos.